So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the best deals on Temu. So first of all, open Temu app. After that, you can see at the bottom home, categories, you and your cart once you're logged in using your email and password. After that's all complete, you will see here some offers of items that are most likely on discount and you can add them to cart. After you've done that, you can order them obviously, and you can see here under the fire sign next to items whether or not they're selling pretty quickly. You can also go to categories. You can see featured, jewelry and accessories, many more options underneath, and you can just go ahead and choose deals. So you can maybe type out best deal, and you can see here buy one get one free. You can see this how much of a discount it is on here, and you can always, after you've exited this part of the page, go to you and you can see the option of rewards. So once you've gotten some rewards on here, you can actually get some discounts as well as some other credits that you can use on items in Temu. So the best way to find out the best deals is to actually type out best deals into the search, or just watch out for things that you want to buy, whether or not they have the fire sign next to it and how much it's discounted. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.